Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming basics that directly affect visibility. First, sign into the correct Google account and open Photos. You need the same account across devices. Once done, make sure your phone has at least some free space. Low storage prevents thumbnails from generating. Next, update the Google Photos app via the store so you're not troubleshooting an old bug. If auto update is off, turn it on. These steps prepare the app for deeper fixes. Now address the common internal problems. You'll clear cache first. That removes temporary files that block previews. If clearing cache doesn't help, clear app data but backup settings first. Then restart the device to rebuild indexes. After restart, open Photos and verify backup and sync is enabled so items sync and appear. Also check app permissions. Storage and Photos access plus background data must be allowed, because permission blocks hide images even when synced. To finalize, sign out of Google Photos and sign back in. That refreshes the account token and thumbnails. If that fails, remove and re-add the Google account on the device. Reinstalling the app forces a clean state, alternatively use Photos. Google.com to confirm server copies exist. If images still don't show, ensure device date and time are correct and check Google service status. Intermittent outages or time skew can prevent visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.